60 seconds to Cura. Today we're going to talk about autoimmunity. Now, autoimmunity, complex, can be multiple systems in the body, tissue, thyroid, diabetes, etc. But we'll just group it all together. Now, what test to do? It's almost always related to gut microbiome and some low-grade infection. So test could be a microbiome test. Definitely toxicity, hair mineral analysis or urine toxic analysis. Now top herbs, immune modulating, there are heaps of great ones to use, but I find Romania really useful, and adaptogens and reishi mushrooms because it's a good immunomodulator. Now nutrients, there are loads, very important ones, but just keeping it simple. Vitamin C, probiotics, not a nutrient, but important for regulating the gut and immune system. And zinc is always a good one to add to. Now, diet, autoimmune diet. It's quite easy to find that. Autoimmune diet is very simple, a little bit similar to a paleo diet. So those are my top 60 seconds to Cura for autoimmunity. Thank you.